Have you ever heard about purple sweet potatoes? These vibrant tubers, with their unique hue and delightful taste, are a lesser-known variety in the world of potatoes, yet they hold a treasure trove of benefits that are just waiting to be discovered. Their story goes back centuries, as they have been a part of traditional cuisines and medicine in various cultures around the globe. The purple sweet potato, a humble yet powerful superfood, has been celebrated for its natural healing properties. Packed with a punch of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, these sweet potatoes have been praised for their ability to combat inflammation, boost immunity, and promote overall vitality. They're not just about the color or the taste, but they're also about enhancing your health and well-being. So are you ready to discover the secrets behind their potential? Now, it's time to delve into the science-backed evidence that supports these claims. Purple sweet potatoes are packed with a powerful punch of antioxidants. The vibrant hue that makes these tubers so visually appealing is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a hint at the treasure trove of nutrients hidden beneath their skin. The star of this nutritional powerhouse is anthocyanin, a type of antioxidant that gives purple sweet potatoes their distinct color. These antioxidants are not just color makers, they're body defenders too. Imagine them as tiny soldiers patrolling your body and protecting it from harmful invaders. When you consume foods rich in antioxidants, such as purple sweet potatoes, you're essentially reinforcing your body's defense system. Anthocyanins in particular have been linked to a host of health benefits. For instance, they are known to reduce the risk of heart disease. They accomplish this by lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation, which are both key factors in heart disease, and that's not all. Anthocyanins also have the potential to combat certain types of cancers. They do this by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and even triggering their destruction, but the power of these antioxidants doesn't stop there. They also boost your immunity, keeping you strong and healthy. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help combat chronic inflammation, a condition linked to many serious diseases from diabetes to Alzheimer's. Even more, antioxidants are believed to enhance brain health. Studies suggest that they can improve memory and cognitive function, protecting your brain as you age. And let's not forget about their role in promoting overall vitality. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like purple sweet potatoes can help you maintain a vibrant, energetic lifestyle, enhancing your well-being at every turn. So, the next time you bite into a delicious purple sweet potato, remember, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're fortifying your body with powerful antioxidants, arming it against disease, and promoting your overall health. But that's not all. These superfoods have more to offer. Did you know purple sweet potatoes are also rich in dietary fiber? Yes, that's right. These vibrant tubers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your digestive health. Now you might be wondering, why is dietary fiber so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Dietary fiber adds bulk to your diet, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. It's like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract, keeping things clean and moving smoothly. But the benefits of dietary fiber don't stop there. It's also a superstar when it comes to blood sugar regulation. You see, fiber, particularly the soluble kind found in purple sweet potatoes, slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy crashes and mood swings. But wait, there's more. Dietary fiber is also a key player in weight management. It keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing those pesky cravings and helping you resist the urge to reach for an unhealthy snack. And let's not forget about gut health. A thriving gut is the cornerstone of overall well-being. Dietary fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. This can lead to improved immunity, better mood, and even enhanced brain function. So, the humble purple sweet potato with its high fiber content is a versatile weapon in your health arsenal. It's not just about the vibrant color, the delightful taste, or even the powerful antioxidants. It's also about the amazing benefits of dietary fiber. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, regulate your blood sugar, manage your weight, or boost your gut health, purple sweet potatoes have got you covered. They are indeed much more than just a pretty face on your dinner plate. They are a key to health, a testament to the power of nature in nourishing our bodies. Incorporate these tasty tubers into your diet and watch them work their magic. They are a delicious way to boost your health, one bite at a time. Wondering how to add purple sweet potatoes to your meals? We have some ideas. Picture this. A world where the vibrant hue of purple sweet potatoes isn't just for show, but a staple in your kitchen, offering a delightful twist to your regular meals. And it doesn't stop at their stunning color. These tubers are as versatile as they are nutritious. Imagine the rich, earthy taste of roasted purple sweet potatoes, enhancing the flavors of your favorite dishes. Or how about incorporating them into your baked goods, a purple sweet potato pie perhaps, or muffins bursting with their natural sweetness. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you're not just treating your taste buds to a culinary adventure, but also boosting your health with every bite. With these culinary delights, adding this superfood into your meals will be a breeze. The secret to a healthier lifestyle could be sitting on your kitchen shelf. Imagine that. Now, let's take a quick moment to recap the remarkable health benefits of purple sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers, bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, are natural warriors in combating inflammation. They're like your body's personal army, boosting immunity and promoting overall vitality. But that's not all. Their rich dietary fiber content plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It's like having your own internal cleaning service. This high-fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports weight management, and ensures optimal gut health. The humble purple sweet potato is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a goldmine for health benefits. So why wait? Unlock the healing potential of purple sweet potatoes today and embark on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. It's time to let these little purple powerhouses work their magic. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness.